Where the rich and famous is, you don't hear their problems because they are all personal, private.
So now my people are slowly losing their denial way and they see they are suffering lekker. They are getting hardship. I love it. Because you must first get hardship before you listen. You must get hard because otherwise you don't listen. Our people listen the hard way, not if somebody come and tell them, listen, did you know that blah, 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 blah. They look at you like, they don't look at me, they look at first at my buck teeth. And then they say, what the fuck do you know? That is the mentality of the settler that's been indoctrinated in my people. They were designed to crack and to stab each other in the back. Now they are turning. Like we elders are saying, the children is coming home now. Because of suffering, they had to go to Nana. They have to accept their Khoi heritage and their roots. You can't hide from it. Can't hide from it. Never.
As long as the world not going to stand for righteousness, there's never going to be justice. You see, there's never going to be equality. Because inequality will reign for generations to come strong. You see, until the generation can come, they're going to stand up and fight for what is theirs and claim it.